right, the funny thing about noway is I started it as I joined like my previous company like last year. Back then, a year and a half ago when I conceived it, the concept of it was kind of breaking out of like your own conceptions of things, new things that you like to start basically. Because noway kind of like comes in like you can say, hey, noway, like absolutely no way, there's no way you can do that. Like, or you can say in disbelief in a good way, like no way you actually did that. So that's kind of like the play on it.
This is why I love this hobby, right? Because this hobby tries to solve problems for every other hobby.
Right.
You know? And I'm like, whoa! Absolutely insane eh. What's up?
Yo.
几点了? You've definitely seen it. Yeah, so we're doing that plus the intro scene. The intro scene will be, the sides have been done, so we're just doing a front walk and then you're walking towards camera, looking off camera.
Okay. Basically rounded up a bunch of friends because I've decided that noway is gonna be a really cool project that I wanted to feature like their really cool like hobbies and stuff that we've tried new things for, and basically living an alternative lifestyle, right? And a hobby that usually on your own would be very challenging to begin, to start. But most actually begin with community. That's what I've realized. That's nice. Because that's how most of us get into new things anyway. Stage out trade, learning, practice, best practice from somebody else, word of mouth.
Okay, that's more like it. That is more like it. That is a lot more like it.
Really?
Yeah.
I only have like 1 day of classes this semester because I cram all my classes onto like one single day. So I class from like 9 a.m.
That's damn shag eh?
Yeah.
The essence of noway is really to kind of showcase that journey of how people start and how people get to where they are. So it's not like it's not a 1 day process, not a 1 week process. It's something that we do over years before we get to the level of expertise that we do. And even then, there's still so much to learn afterwards. Like so much accrued knowledge over multiple different domains and disciplines that really kind of just give you new perspectives every time you are not a master. Like even people you think you are, you never are. So that's kind of what I like the way to play.
Yeah, it still works.
Okay, no splash then. I like the foreground light from this.
I do like the foreground light from this as well. Is it possible to do this shot but with the background splash? Yeah? I think that would be the most optimal shot.
Let's try that.
Yeah.
Holy
Gorgeous, right? Wow, then there's you leaving someone. Oh, wow.
Because the sheet right, I use metallic paint, so like there's a shiny.
Oh, that's why you put that's why you inverted. Wow, dude, that's crazy eh. People showcasing that honesty, that being of yourself and genuinely liking what you like. Yeah.